Today we are going to learn about birds' names. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Eagle. This is an eagle. Parrot. These are parrots. Pelican. This is a pelican. Crow. This is a crow. Duck. This is a duck. Goose. This is a goose. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. Thank you for watching.